SuperPodcast AI is a brand new, cutting-edge software that has just been released, and it's already making waves. In this review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about it, especially if you're new to podcasting or AI-driven tools. Stick around because you'll want to hear everything, including why this could be the next game changer for content creators like you. And by the way, you can try SuperPodcast AI completely free by clicking the first link below. First, let's talk about what SuperPodcast AI actually does. This software is designed to revolutionize how you create and distribute podcasts, using the power of artificial intelligence to make the entire process simpler, faster, and more efficient. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned podcaster, SuperPodcast AI offers intuitive features that can take your podcasting to the next level. One of the standout features is its ability to auto-generate podcast show notes. It analyzes your podcast episode and automatically creates detailed show notes, saving you hours of work. This is especially valuable for creators who don't want to spend time writing out summaries or descriptions, but still want to provide their audience with informative, SEO-friendly content. SuperPodcast AI gets it right every time, ensuring that the show notes are relevant and engaging. Another key feature is the AI-driven editing tools. SuperPodcast AI makes it incredibly easy to edit your podcast episodes, even if you're not an audio editing expert. With AI, it can automatically cut out silences, remove filler words, and even enhance sound quality. If you've ever spent hours manually editing your episodes, you'll know how big of a time saver this is, and it doesn't stop there. SuperPodcast AI also helps you with transcription. It turns your podcast episodes into text, making it easier for you to repurpose your content for blogs, social media, or even books. This is an essential tool for anyone who wants to maximize their content reach and leverage their podcast in other formats. The software also comes with built-in analytics, providing you with a detailed breakdown of your podcast's performance. You can see which episodes are performing the best, track listener demographics, and get insights into listener behavior. This data can help you make informed decisions about future content and how to grow your audience. SuperPodcast AI also offers automatic episode scheduling and publishing, which means you can set it and forget it. Once your episode is ready, you can schedule it to be published on your preferred platforms without lifting a finger. It's an excellent feature for those who want to streamline their workflow and focus more on creating content than managing it. Another incredible feature is the personalized podcast recommendations. SuperPodcast AI can analyze your content and suggest improvements, topics, and even guests that could help elevate your podcast. If you're struggling to come up with fresh ideas or want to attract more listeners, this is a great tool to have. Lastly, SuperPodcast AI is incredibly user-friendly. It's designed to make podcasting accessible for everyone, whether you're just starting or looking to streamline your workflow. The interface is clean, simple, and intuitive, making it easy to jump in and start using right away without any steep learning curve. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you can try SuperPodcast AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, I've personally tested this one, and I can say it's one of the best I've seen for podcasters, both beginners and pros alike. At the end of the day, SuperPodcast AI is not just a tool, it's a complete solution for anyone looking to make the most out of their podcast. And if you're serious about content creation, I highly recommend giving it a go. As always, I've listed my top recommended AI tools in the description below that you can try for free. Check them out and let me know what you think.